So hello friends, so in this video I am going to discuss you about the structure of HIV, and I am going to discuss the structure of HIV with the help of a diagram, and you can easily understand. And also after discussing this structure of HIV, I am going to discuss a question that you can see in the screen. So stay tuned. So friends, so as you have already seen that this question is based on a structure of HIV. So first of all I am going to explain you about the structure of HIV. So this is the structure of HIV and these are the parts, and all these parts I am going to label you in front of you. So friends, so first of all, as you have seen that this orange color spike like structure, so this is the glycoprotein 120, that means GP120 or glycoprotein 120. So this is a structural protein that forms the spike, glycoprotein 120. And similarly, and this is also a green color transpeptide protein. And also you can see that here that is the protein that is in a green color, and it forms as a transmembrane for this membrane, that is the brown colored layer, and this is the glycoprotein. So this is a glycoprotein 41. And now you should know that this is the core, that this is the main cell of the HIV virus, and this, so here that is the brown colored layer that you are seeing over this cell is the lipid. Now I would like to tell you that these three structures, that is glycoprotein 120, glycoprotein 41 and lipid, together they form that is envelope. Together they form envelope. So that means you should know that this envelope, so you should know that, so this is the glycoprotein, that this is a glycoprotein 120 and this is the glycoprotein 41, and this is the envelope together, that is a glycoprotein 120, this is a glycoprotein 41, and this is the lipid part, and together they form the, so here that is the envelope. As I've already mentioned, see that this glycoprotein 120, glycoprotein 41 and lipid, they form that is envelope. So you can see that, so this is the main envelope of the virus. So also you can remember that this HIV is an envelope virus. Now, as I have already mentioned that this is the structure that is shown in blue color is the main part, that is the cell of the virus, and also you can see that, and this is the core, or you can say that the nucleic acid of the virus. So this is the core of the virus, core. Now, and also you can see that inside this core, so here that is nucleocapsid are present, and you can see that this, so here that is two identical lines which I have drawn in pink color, and these are, that is the two identical copies of single stranded RNA. So I would like to tell you is that this HIV is a single stranded RNA virus. And this, so here that is the structures that you have seen in the black color, these are the viral enzymes. So see, so I am going to repeat once again. So that this HIV is an envelope virus, and so this is the envelope of the virus, that the structure that is shown in the brown color, and in this envelope there is two glycoproteins are there. So you have glycoprotein 120 and the glycoprotein 41. So this is the main envelope of the virus. And also you can see there that this, so here structure that is shown in the blue color is the main cell or matrix of the virus, and then the structure that I have shown in the violet color is the, so here core of the virus, and these two, so here lines are the, so here that is single stranded RNA copies, and these are the viral enzymes which are present in the nucleocapsid. So the nucleocapsid viral enzyme, single stranded RNA copies, and this core is present. And this, so here structure that you are seeing in the body color, this is the cytoplasm. So if you remember this diagram, then you can simply remember, and so here that is memorize the structure of HIV. Now I am going to explain all these points from the book Apurva Sastry. See there, so here that is the structure. So first one is that the envelope. So envelope, so here see that HIV is an envelope virus, and the envelope is made up of, so here lipid part, so a protein part, that is the glycoprotein 120 and the glycoprotein 41. See in my diagram. So see, as I have already so here that is mentioned that this is the, so here the structure that I have shown in the brown color, it is the envelope, and this envelope is made up of that this lipid first of all, and this glycoprotein 41 and the glycoprotein 120. So see the glycoprotein 120, glycoprotein 41 and lipid, they together form the envelope of the HIV virus. And see, that is what is written. So here that is an envelope, that is HIV is an envelope virus. The envelope is made up of, so here lipid part, it is the host cell membrane derived, and a glycoprotein 120, as I have mentioned that it forms, so here spikes like structures. So here also that is glycoprotein 120 projected as knob like spikes on the surface. And also, so here glycoprotein, it forms, so here that is anchoring transmembrane pedicles, as I also mentioned. See there, that is glycoprotein 41 also form, that is a transmembrane pedicles. That is one thing that I have written for simply, as I have already mentioned that this is the core. So this is the core of the virus, and here that is, and inside this core two identical copies of single stranded RNA present, and also viral enzymes are present, and they together form the nucleocapsid. So see that nucleocapsid, that means viral enzymes present, two identical copies of single stranded RNA, and also core are present. So see, so here what I have written. So here nucleocapsid, you can see that capsid is icosahedral symmetry made up of core protein, a cylindrical inner core, that is, so here that is the RNA is present, two identical copies of single stranded positive sense linear RNA, and also viral enzymes such as reverse transcriptase, integrase and proteases. So all these are the, so informations about the structure of HIV. Now I am going to explain the genes coding for the HIV. So friends, so now I am going to explain about the genes coding. But for the genes coding, we have to remember that there are three types of genes. Three types of genes. What are those three types of genes? So GAG gene, GAG gene. Number 2, that is the pol gene, and number 3, that is the ENV gene. Now, and the coding for all these genes, so here that is depend on the structure of HIV. Now, as I have already mentioned that this is the main cell or the matrix of the HIV, and this is the core. Now the genes coding, the gene which codes for this cell or matrix and the core of this HIV virus is the GAG gene. So you should remember that this GAG gene, so that this GAG gene, it codes for, so here that is the codes for, that is the cell and core of HIV, that is for cell and core of HIV, that this gene coding is responsible, that this cell and the core of HIV. Now let's discuss about that is so here is a reverse transcriptase enzyme, that is integrase, that means about a viral enzyme. So there are three viral enzymes which are present in the nucleocapsid, but simply remember at present that there are viral enzymes present in the nucleocapsid. Now for that viral enzyme nucleocapsid, so there is specific gene which codes for, that is the pol gene. So you should remember that this pol gene, it codes for, So here that is the viral enzymes of RN of HIV, viral enzymes. So for these viral enzymes of HIV, that this, so here that is a pole gene is responsible. Next, as I have already mentioned that here that is envelope is also present. So, and what is envelope? So that this is the glycoprotein 120 and glycoprotein 41 and lipid parted together from the envelope of HIV virus. And for that envelope, you should remember that this envelope gene codes for the, so here that is a glycoproteins of envelope. So this is the main portions. So as you know that for understanding the genes coding for the structure of RNA, so first of all that you should understand that is the what is the structure of RNA, that is how many parts. And I know that if you remember this diagram, you can remember that HIV is an envelope virus, and what are the components of envelope, that is a glycoprotein 120, glycoprotein 41 and lipid, and also that is it has a matrix. And also you can remember that it is a, so here that is RNA virus because two identical copies of single stranded RNA are present, and also viral enzymes are present. So that's it. And also and after remembering that diagram, that is structure, you can remember about the genes. So here GAG gene, it codes for the cell of HIV, and core of HIV. Pole, it codes for viral enzymes, and envelope, it codes for the glycoproteins of envelope. Now let's see the question. So see that the question is asking that is the gene coding for core of HIV. So for core of HIV, as I have already mentioned, which gene is responsible, that is the GAG gene. That is the, so here GAG gene codes for cell or matrix of HIV and core of HIV. So this is the cell of HIV, and this is the core of HIV. And for this, so here that is core and that is cell of HIV, that is which gene is responsible for coding, GAG gene. So therefore that is the correct answer of the question is GAG gene. So that's all.